Welcome to the channel, guys, and wish you a very happy Raksha Bandhan. I'm at Bangalore Railway Station, and again this weekend I'm going for a new trek with again Bangalore Trekking Club. So this time we'll be going to Kunti Betta. It's a place in Pandavapura, which is in Mandya district of Karnataka. So we are starting from Bangalore now. It will take us around 2 hours to reach Pandavapura. From Pandavapura we have to take a rickshaw to reach the base camp of Kunti Betta. Start the trek, and we're planning to come by evening. This is the train, we are taking this, so it's going till Mysore. He's Aman, who is my co-organizer. So we are total 18 people right now. People got the seats, so we'll be starting the journey now. So as the train is coming from Mysore, the train was pretty jam-packed, so we don't have any other option. We are sitting in this cargo coach. So there are no seats here inside, but somehow we'll be managing, and we have to sit maybe on the down. I'm the 18. No, I'm not missing. So these are our seats.
Those are seats
kind of seats, yeah.
Those are seats for our bags.
So luggage counter, so we have the luggage for today. So people are now introducing themselves by Damshrans.
First part. Som, it is related to Som. Books. Puja.
Purana Granth. Ved Sona. Vedic. Ved Sona. Ved Sona. Ved Sona jana hai. Ved Sona. English.
Puja.
Dena. Dan. Like English mein give.
Water.
Donate. Okay, surname.
तो एक्चुअली इंग्लिश में इसको क्या कहते हैं, डेडिकेट करना, सो उसको अंजलि बोलते हैं.
Okay, surname.
अंजलि श्रीवास्तव.
Surname तो धमशराज का था. हाँ, कुछ भी वास्तव ऐसे होता. Okay, yeah, continue next. Yeah.
Okay, this is Anjali Shrivastava and I'm from Varanasi. I'm working as an art director in an advertising agency called Kunti Betta.
So we reach Pandavapura station. It's 11:07 now, and we are pretty much late. So maybe we'll have to do everything quickly today. So now we have to take a rickshaw from here, and we have to go to the Kunti Betta base, which is somewhere around 6 to 7 kilometers, and then we start the trek. So we finalized the auto. We are taking the 3 rickshaws, and as we are 18 people, so 6. Yeah, so we are taking the auto now. So we took 3 autos, 6 people each, and we are paying around 900 up and down. So we'll call them and then come to pick us as well. So we are at the base camp of Kunti Betta now. This is how the place looks like. In the starting there are a few stairs. Then again the normal trek and boulder route will start. Just taking the number of our auto guy, so that while getting down we'll call him before like 30 minutes, so that he can pick us up from here to the railway station while going back. So starting the trek now. have few victims of Game of Life. We'll start with her first. One, 2, 3, 4, 5. And yeah, now Anjali. Next.
She to
Come here. वाह
क्या था? पूरा तो 20 करा ऐसे करे तो 20.
नहीं कोई बात नहीं आएगी एनर्जी.
करने के बाद
2, 3, 4, 5. Well done. Next push up.
पुश अप से 3 बार मारना है राइट हैंड. 50 ही मार ले तो चलो.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
पुश.
Jump. So we finally reached on the top. भारत माता की जय. वो last हो गया Independence Day. Oh, I remember I clicked picture here when last time I came. Lunch now, and I think we'll take a rest for 30-40 minutes, and then we'll leave for railway station again. So we are almost done with our lunch. Most of the stuff we had today was like snacks and all stuff, fruits and all. And thanks to this guy, and this dude was trying to cut camera, and in case he cut his finger. But yeah, luckily we had that medical kit, so we somehow managed. Now we have to take. Yeah, this is the blood. Don't try this at home. So we'll start in 15-20 minutes. So we are starting for the base now. It was a very easy trek, so I think it will take us. Then we already called over a rickshaw driver. Leaving for railway station. Sometime in life you have just to go with the flow, like that. So we reached the base camp. We're taking a photo now. We're staying for a few minutes. Going to the railway station. Our train is at 3 o'clock and 3:45. We'll try to catch any of one of them, and then leave. Thanks. So we are back at the station now, leaving for Bangalore. Train is arriving in next, like it's already arrived. So thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe if you aren't already, comment with your thoughts, and I will see you in the next one. Till then, keep traveling.